Worried about the pre-trip inspection test? We've got you covered. All right, so this test is the only interior question that is not in the in-cab check. It is emergency equipment and safety devices. Now, what are the emergency equipment that should always be present in a truck? The 3 safety triangles, the fire extinguisher, and the first aid kit. What do they, how do they need to be? Well, the first aid kit, it needs to be present and with all the items inside. The safety triangles as well, they need to be present and operational. With regards to the fire extinguisher, it needs to be present, it needs to be secure, and it needs to be fully charged. So there are 3 criteria that we need to look into. So how do we check that for the road test? I'm going to become an applicant and do it like I would do that in the road test. The examiner will ask, emergency equipment is missing, damaged, or defective. I'll read that emergency equipment is missing, damaged, or defective is a minor defect. When we have a minor defect, we write it in the inspection book, report it to the operator, and we are allowed to drive the vehicle. The first aid kit is present. It's here. The 3 safety triangles, they are present. They're in the occupant compartment. And the fire extinguisher is present as well. It is secure. We shake it to make sure it's secure. And the safety pin is in, and it is fully charged. We can also say the arrow is on green. That's how we check that it is fully charged. So the fire extinguisher is secure, the safety pin is in, and it is fully charged. And that's it. Nothing else to it.